Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll find dy dx from the equation x to the power y plus y to the power x is equal to 1. So, first, we will write this equation as z1 plus z2 is equal to 1, where z1 is x to the y and z2 is y to the power x. So, first, we take logarithm to the both side of this equation. Z1 is equal to x to the power y. So log z1 is equal to log x to the y, which is nothing but y times log x. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get 1 by z1 dz1 dx is equal to y into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus derivative of y is dy dx time log x. So it is y by x plus dy dx log x. So what will be dz1 dx? It is z1 times y by x plus dy dx log x. And what is z1? It is x to the power y by x plus dy dx log x. So this is dz1 by dx. So now come to the second equation. Z2 is equal to y to the power x. Again, here by taking log both sides, so we have log z2 is equal to log of y to the power x. And what is log of y to the power x? It is nothing but x log y. So again, differentiating with respect to x, we get 1 by z2 dz2 dx is x into 1 by y dy dx, which is derivative of log y, plus derivative of x is 1, so 1 into log y. So dz2 dx is nothing but z2 times x by y dy dx plus log y. And what is z2? Z2 is y to the power x into x by y dy dx plus log y. Now come to our original equation, which is nothing but z1 plus z2 is 1. Here we differentiate with respect to x. So we have dz1 dx plus dz2 dx is equal to 0. Now putting the values of dz1 dx and dz2 dx, we get, so dz1 dx is x to the y by x plus dy dx log x, and dz2 dx is y to the power x times x by y dy dx plus log y is equal to 0. Now by simplifying again, we have x to the power y log x plus y to the power x into x by y dy dx is equal to minus of y to the power x log y plus x to the y into y by x. Then what is dy dx? Minus of y to the power x log y plus x to the power y into y by x by x to the y log x plus y to the x into x by y, which is the required answer.